associated companies and associated undertakings mean any two or more companies or undertakings, or a company and an undertaking interconnected with each other in the following manner, namely, if a person who is the owner or a partner or director of a company or undertaking, or who directly or indirectly holds or controls shares carrying not less than 20% of the voting power in such company or undertaking is also the owner or partner or director of another company or undertaking, or directly or indirectly holds or controls shares carrying not less than 20% of the voting power in that company or undertaking, or if the companies or undertakings are under common management or control, or one is the subsidiary of another, or if the undertaking is a Modraba managed by the company and a person who is the owner of or a partner or director in a company or undertaking, or who so holds or controls shares carrying not less than 10% of the voting power in a company or undertaking shall be deemed to be an associated person of every such other person, and of the person who is the owner of or a partner or director in such other company or undertaking, or who so holds or controls such shares in such company or undertaking, provided that shares shall be deemed to be owned, held, or controlled by a person if they are owned, held, or controlled by that person or by the spouse or minor children of the person, provided further that directorship of a person or persons by virtue of nomination by the federal government or a provincial government or a financial institution, or indirectly owned or controlled by such government, or shares owned by the National Investment or the Investment Corporation of Pakistan, or a financial institution directly or indirectly owned or controlled by the federal government or a provincial government, or shares registered in the name of a central depository where such shares are beneficially owned by the central depository shall not be taken into account for determining the status of a company.